Hey everybody, so thanks so much for tuning into Young Money Investments. My name is Bennion, and so I am out here finally in Louisiana. I just wanted to do a quick video because I have been on the road so much. I've not been filming nearly as much as I probably should be filming. But yeah, I wanted to do a quick video here of the new place. So this is my new casa. I don't know if I can come over here so you can see more of it. It's great, it's nice, it's a little bit different. This is kind of weird how they have this bedroom kind of setup thing over here, and then you close the, it's weird. To me it's super weird. But yeah, so this is the new place. It's nice, it's modern, it's nice and clean. This over here is gonna be the, this is gonna end up being the filming room. Just because it's got a nice little desk, everything like that. I'll probably end up shooting a lot of videos over in this area. We have a nice enclosed patio and everything like that. It is raining out here in Louisiana right now. It's mid-April, and it's pouring. It's pouring. So yeah, this is the crib and everything like that. Got the bathroom and everything over here. Yeah, that's just the standard stuff. Got my bedroom and everything over here. Got the tripod, got some other stuff over there. All my stuff is not here yet. It's getting shipped to me from Rexburg and everything. I had some guys that are bringing stuff out right now. This is one more bedroom and everything like that. I'm realizing I say that all the time now. But yeah, that's the crib so far. I'll definitely introduce you guys to my roommates and everything like that when they get here. Spencer's here right now. He's actually knocking. But yeah, I will probably film a few more videos. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of where I'm at, what it's like. It's good to be back down here in the South. But yeah, hopefully a little bit of trading. We'll just keep trading, keep grinding, keep making it good. Earnings season is right now, so that is going to actually be super, super good as far as being able to make some more profit and everything like that. So hopefully you guys are doing great. Hopefully today is a good day. Saturday, I had a heck of a flight. I probably look like crap because I ended up sleeping in the airport and everything like that. Last night, yeah, that was actually fun, flying from Portland to Dallas, being on the tarmac for 3.5 hours, then getting our flight canceled. We actually went back, refueled once, then went back on the tarmac, then ended up getting the flight canceled. So it sucked, but I'm glad to be here, glad to be working, glad to be doing that ADT thing. So take care, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye. One more thing I also wanted to mention before I left is that I am thinking of doing a live Sunday Q&A where I will go live for probably 20 minutes or so, kind of going over my stock picks and everything for the week, some of the charts and things like that. If there are specific chart patterns or specific stocks that you guys want me to talk about, I will do that. I don't know yet. I really don't think I have a big enough following base or enough subscribers currently to make that worth my while, but it's an idea that I've gotten from a couple different friends that have said that that would be a good idea. I will do it if there's enough interest. So if that is something you're interested in, will you please comment down below? That's really the only way that I can know if you guys are interested in that kind of thing. So let me know. I'd be more than happy to do something like that. It obviously is a little bit more time consuming because I have to be on a specific consistent schedule, but I will carve that time out on my Sunday if that's something you want to do. I will not do it tomorrow, but I will do it potentially the following Sunday if that is something you guys are interested in. So talk to you later. Thanks so much for tuning in to Young Money Investments. Bye.